Hi guys, welcome to DaisyElleHookery. Keep it short and sweet video series. We've got something like 70 videos in the series, either already done or in the planning. This is one of the first ones. Today we're going to cast on knitting using a 4.5mm knitting needle and a 5mm crochet hook. I like to keep the needle and the hook either the same size or up half a size with my crochet hook so that the stitches stay nice and loose on my needle. I used a knitted rib because I'm a knitter, I'm Bi-Stitchual, and I like to use them on hats. Anywhere that people say, oh, you can use a single crochet back loop only rib to make a fake rib. Well, I just prefer making a rib. So this is a good way of mixing the two, knitting and crochet. Whatever your first row is of stitches in crochet, so if you had to do 40 stitches, then you would cast on 40 for your knitting. So if you had to cast on, say, 84 for a hat, you would cast on 84 knitting. You cast on exactly the same amount of stitches as your first row of your item. So here's how to do it. First you make your slip knot and pop it on your crochet hook. Don't pull it too tight, you need that to be a little bit loose. And then you take your working yarn, hold it as you normally would, behind the needle, and you grab the yarn and you pull it through that first slip knot. Move your yarn to the back, grab the yarn, pull it through the loop on your hook, move it to the back, grab the yarn and pull it through, to the back, grab the yarn, pull it through, and you just keep doing that until you've got the required amount of stitches, minus one on your needle. Because I'll show you what happens. We have 2, 4, 6, 8 on our needle, so that makes 9 on our needle, but we've still got one here on our hook. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 on the needle, 1 on the hook, so that would make 10 stitches. Pull that loop out just a little bit and slide it onto your knitting needle. You can make it snug after that, and then you're good to go. So there's 10 stitches on your knitting needle that you've put on using your crochet hook. So you have a short tail, you don't need a long tail. It gives the same edge as a knitted rib, normal cast on knitting rib. It's quite stretchy, it's nice and loose. You can cast off in crochet, and we've got that video in the series too. So make sure you subscribe, come back to us. Like I say, there's going to be 70 odd videos in the series. Keep it short and sweet, so we don't want any of these videos to be going on too long. And I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.